5 Best Cat Clocks. Number 5. Ashton Sutton. Cat theme. Laser cut. Black matte finish. Easy to read. Animal theme. Classy matte finish. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Abio Designs Chat Noir. 10-inch wall clock. Clock is approximately 10 inches diameter. These can be clearly seen from any angle. The back and sides of the clock. 1 AA battery that is not included. Metal hanging tab on rear. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Infinity Instruments Tabletop. Cat-shaped tabletop clock. Pearl acrylic dial, adjustable tail. 1 AA battery required. Quartz movement. Classy tapered hands. 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Allen Studio Designs. Original design by Michelle Allen. Hand painted on resin. Pendulum is a bird which swings back and forth. Runs on a single AA battery. Item weight, 1.8 pounds. Clock mechanism is warranted for 2 years. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. KitKat California. 1 original size BC01 KitKat clock. 1 round 12 clock. Recognizable nostalgic design for over 80 years. Limited edition package only by Arts at Home. KitKat clock seller made in America. Reliable quartz movement. Please check the description for detail and price.